Popularized during the Tudor period, shutters were originally made from thick wooden boards and were used to cover any holes in the house's external walls. It wasn't until the 16th century that people started to use window shutters for decorative purposes, as well as practical ones. At Lite in Swanzey, New Hampshire, they've been crafting wooden shutters, blinds, doors, and other specialty millwork since 1952. A third-generation family business, all their products are made with raw lumber, typically eastern white pine. Each 16-foot bunk of lumber is ripped into various widths using a gang saw. The lumber then moves to the optimization cut line. This machine uses a laser sensor to scan each board for defects like knots or bowing and determine the best cutting strategy for the specified length. Let's follow the process for crafting wooden shutters. The longer lengths of wood will create stiles, the long side pieces of the shutter, and rails, the cross pieces that hold the shutter together. Lite uses mortise and tenon joinery to assemble all their shutters. The stile piece is run through a chain mortiser. The rail pieces are run through a double-end tenoner, where they are shaped to fit properly. Each piece of wood is then run through the molder to give the wood its detail and profile. Lite has over 75 setups for the molders, all shaping and giving profiles to the wood. Smaller wooden blocks are processed using a designated molder to create slats. Once the parts are cut and shaped to size, the assembly operation begins. Here, a pressman sets up a cone system to accommodate the slats, then lays out the slats in the open shutter. With all the pieces in place, glue is applied to the mortise and tenon joinery. The shutter is squeezed together in the press machine. A pressman measures the shutter to ensure it's square, and pin nails are used to fasten the shutter joinery. Next, it's sanded and cleaned with pressurized air. Pieces are inspected at each step in the process to ensure a quality product. Then they're moved to the priming station. Each shutter is washed in the primer and hung to dry. After an overnight dry, the shutter is taken down and placed on pallets to prepare for shipping to their customers. Wooden shutters crafted at Lite in Swanzey, New Hampshire are another example of an exceptional product made in Monadnock. Like and subscribe to this channel for videos of fascinating products made locally, and stay tuned for more episodes of Made in Monadnock.